What's up guys, Justin Modeste here. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to front flip. I got Broad here with me. What was it?
We Broad, yeah.
What's up guys, Justin Modeste here. Today I'm gonna show you all how to front flip. I got Aaron here with me, also known as Broadway. He will be helping me, so check it. So y'all, if you all wanna learn that, keep watching. I think that you all should have is probably a forward roll and a front handspring. If you all can't do front handspring, I'll put a link down below to the front handspring tutorial, right? Alright, so the first thing you all would need to learn to be able to do the front flip, the no hand front flip that is, which way you want to take off. I personally do the punch, Broadway also. So if you all want to learn it, the punch take off, keep watching.
Right, so I'm gonna show you guys like how to punch, right? So, you guys ready? Play for 2 foot together. You jump. Up, not forward. Up. When you get up, get more spring.
Now, you guys have to know how to actually do the flip. So when you all know about to leave the ground, you all will be on your toes, your hands will be up, okay, and your hands will be going in a motion like this, okay. Good. Your hands will be doing that motion while it will be actually doing a tuck jump. Just jump and do it again one more time. High, bring your knees higher. Yes. So, one more time, show them the hands again. Show them the hands, sorry. Show them the hands. Right. And the legs will be doing a tuck jump. Do it one more time, brother. Good. When actually going for the flip, you all will be running to get momentum, punching with your hands up, doing the same hand motion to meet your knees, to tuck and then land. Alright, so y'all learn the mechanics of doing a front flip. So now y'all have to be able to muster the guts, the strength, the hope, the faith, the love, the everything, and just jump, leave the ground and rotate. Just, yeah, short but yeah, you guys have to do that.
Get it fair out though.
Get it fair out, so just attempt it. At first, your front flip may look like this, but don't be discouraged. You are awesome for trying it, but don't forget to put your hands up and do this motion and bring your hands to your knees to tuck, and don't forget to jump as hard as you can. So at first, y'all may not be able to get the full rotation, so y'all can try doing it off of a height. The higher the height, the more likely it would be for you to complete the full rotation to do the front flip. One thing to note, that when you're landing, make sure that your legs are stiff. If someone were to hit your legs like this to the side, try not to make it wobble. Stiffen your legs when you're landing.
I kind of afraid now, but how to get a fail too. I fall.
Once you've mastered doing the front flip at a certain height, decrease the height and then try it again, and then decrease the height again until you are able to do it on the flat ground.
Like clean, like okay.
Alright. That's good. Okay guys, that was it. I am Justin Modeste. Aaron with me, aka Broadway. Yeah. Hope you all got it. You all just keep practicing. Make sure you all leave a like and a comment. And stay tuned. Subscribe. Okay?